How to block all the incoming calls that you get on your device just on the Telegram application if you are a premium member, and if you are a free member, you both can do this thing. Now, to block all the calls or to enable a security shield just on your mobile phone, so firstly, you just need to check out that if you have updated your Truecaller version or not. If not, then please go on the Google Play Store for Android to update it and App Store for iPhone. Now, the main step is simply open the Truecaller application in front of you. As I'm going to open it right now, take the right call. This is the motto of Truecaller. The main thing you're going to see is this is my contact here, but I'm going to click on the three lines on the right top of the screen and then again click on the setting from the bottom. In setting, there is my profile option, my name on the top, then general, calls, messaging, assistant, privacy, and then there is an option called block. When you will click on, you can see that the level of protection is off in my phone, so I will simply switch it to the basic. And yes, now I am spam protected, and then I can simply block calls manually, like notification for blocked messages, number blocked from foreign countries, number not in phone book. You can block that all. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.